welcome to my channel The Games Miniature Toys. Today we are going to explore die-cast metal cars miniature models which I have got from Timisoara, Romania. So these are very beautifully designed 5 different color variant cars. Each are different models. So I'll be explaining you and showing you each and every model. And do like, subscribe to my channel. Do comment which car did you like at the end. So let us start exploring each and every car models. This what you are seeing is yellow color. This looks like a Volkswagen Beetle. This is a yellow color and this has black glass. Then front headlights are very beautifully designed and highlighted. So have a silver bumper. Then this is plastic body and you have a rubber grip tire. I'll tell you why they have given the rubber grip tire. So very beautiful tail light, red color. This rubber grip is given because this is a pullback car, not a normal Hot Wheels car. You can see if we pull, this goes further. So this has a pullback mechanism. So they have given the rubber grip tire so that it runs smoothly. So let us go to next car, which is a white color, or creamish white color. So this is 1955 Ford Thunderbird. So you can see the design. So this is also very beautifully designed. So you can see front grill, and you have a headlamp, very beautifully highlighted to silver color. Then black glass and rear view, you can see the tail light, and this is also plastic and pull back. So let us go to the orange one. So this one, I hope you are familiar with the design. This looks like Mini Cooper. So this also has a front grille, silver front grille, and headlight very accurately colored to show the difference. Then white top, then rear view. If you see there, in this they have not colored the tail light, and this is also plastic with a rubber grip tire, and glasses are also black. So let us go to gray color. I am not sure about the model, but let me know in the comment. So I can call this as vintage car for now. So this also has black glass, and grills are very accurately designed. You can see the headlight and the front bumper. Tires again are rubber one. Bottom is plastic, again pullback mechanism. So here also tail light they have not colored, but looks very good. So let us go to the last car. This looks like a BMW model, and this is very special. So I have chosen to show this at the last. So I will tell you why this is special. By then you guess what might be special in this. So they have tail light is colored here. So it's silver color. Then headlight is also designed very well. Hope you can see the headlights. So this is special because this has a transparent glass. Unlike others which have black glass, this has the white transparent glass. And if you compare with the other models, tires are bigger. So if you compare, tires are very big when compared to other models. So this is special. So but the bottom is again plastic with the pullback mechanism with the transparent glass, as I mentioned. So green color is attractive. So among this all, I like this green color. And when you compare with the other Hot Wheels or miniature model cars, these cars are huge, die-cast models when we compare to others. You can see the red one, which this is from Rally. red car. I have put a unboxing video for this, you can watch in my channel. So let I end the video. Hope you like the video. If you like my today's video, do like, subscribe, comment. Until then, see you. Bye.